In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Perplexity AI account, simple and easy. So to do that, it's simple. What you need to do is just tap on your profile there. You can see that at your top left corner of your screen. Just tap on that there to move to your settings. Good. So now let's scroll to the bottom, scroll. And at the bottom, you can see delete account. So you just need to tap on the delete account there. And you can see your username and everything. You just need to enter your username there. Bronze. Just need to enter it. I'm just finding it lazy to do that, but let's do it for tutorial purposes. Test 51855 and it should show here. And now the delete account shows, and now you tap on that to delete your account. So that's it on how you delete your Perplexity AI account on the app. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.